This is the famous Mainau Island, located in Lake Constance, deep in the southwest of Germany near the borders with Switzerland and Austria. More than 1 million visitors flock here every year, making it a major tourist attraction in the local area. If you live in Germany and are looking for one of the beautiful places to visit during springtime, Mainau Island has pretty much amazing scenes to offer. If you are a tourist looking for an interesting place to visit, this island should be included in your itinerary. So keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Mainau Island. The town is not easy to reach by train, unfortunately. Getting to the place, one should take the bus number 14/13, but it is also frequently reached by means of the ferry services around Lake Constance. Before you can enter the island, one must pay the admission fee. At the main entrance, you will be welcomed by the beautiful arranged flower garden. One must take a few minutes walk, passing through the bridge where visitors will pass the Kreuz crucifix in the lake. The flower island of Mainau in the Lake Constance is home to a stunning array of flowers and trees across just 45 hectares. The best way to enjoy and explore the area is by walking. Around 1 million tulips, rhododendrons, scented roses, perennials, and colorful dahlias bloom in the park and gardens. Mainau is maintained as a garden island and a model of excellent environmental practices. As you enter the park, there are various walks around the perimeter of the island with regular themed displays of flowers and welcomes everyone. Most of them are situated in different areas. Not only nature and garden lovers, but also families enjoy the island. The place is also best known for its castle, easily reached by a pleasant walking path and trail. The Teutonic Castle, completed in 1746, and the Palace Church St. Marian are architectural highlights of the Baroque era and stand in the close proximity to 15-meter-tall palm trees. The church is a beautiful relic of the Baroque style from the south of Germany. Beside flowers, there is a park landscape with views on the lake. As I continue to stroll through the area, I finally made my way to the Italian and Mediterranean gardens. First, passing through the Italian Rose Garden created in 1871 under the orders of the Grand Duke Friedrich I, until you will reach the terrace overlooking the magnificent view of the Italian flower water staircase. In the spacious park area, there are plenty of magnificently planted terraces where you can marvel at the unique panorama of the Lake Constance. The Swan Fountain is also interesting. It was created in 1979. One day is enough to explore the town. Because of its subtropical and partly even tropical vegetation, Mainau Island is also called Flowering Island in the Lake Constance. The development into the Flower Island of Mainau really flourished in the 1950s. Much of the island is now under a protection order as a place of significant cultural value, and it is run by a charitable foundation. So I'll invite you to discover this charming island with its historic castle, botanical gardens, and the beauty of Lake Constance. There is really something for everyone here. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!